Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to join the Toilet Tower Defense Discord server of Roblox. Now, it's very easy, just simple, follow along. All you have to do is open up Discord and from there scroll all the way down till you find the little plus icon, add a server. Now what you want to do is simply press it and it will take you to create a server. Now here you have to scroll down till you find join a server. Now from there you have an invite link. Now the invite link for this server is simple: discord.gg / s lowercase r n uppercase q lowercase t 2 lowercase y uppercase d lowercase e uppercase z. Now from here press join server, and what this will do, it will join the Toilet Tower Defense server. Now here you can use the server, and that's it. If this tutorial helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like, it helps me out a ton. Subscribe, but most importantly, thank you for watching.